Hey, all you creators out there. I'm creating this video. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube creating anything, but I'm creating this video because I'm recovering from ear surgery and I feel like crap. And this is important because you, as an artist, as a creator, are going to have these days. Or you're going to have days where you probably feel good, but you just don't feel like it. But the most important thing is that you show up. And today, I showed up. I didn't do my best work, not my best work, but I showed up and I did what I could. And that's the most important aspect of my deep and meaningful purpose. I mean, 8 years ago, I decided that I was going to win the battle against procrastination with my art making because it was central to who I am. Creating is central to who I am. And the first thing I did was to address my perfectionist tendencies, the same tendencies that we all have. I mean, tell me if this sounds familiar, because I've said these things to myself all the time. I really want to do this, quote, I really want to do this with my life, but I don't feel like it right now. I'll do it tomorrow. Or, I just don't feel like it. I'm not feeling inspired to draw, to paint, to write, whatever your creative habit is, you just don't feel like it. We've all said this before. I mean, what holds us back is this pervasive idea that in order for us to do anything, it must be great in some way. It must be worth it, whatever that means. I mean, these kinds of thoughts lead us to not even getting started on something that's really dear to us. I mean, why am I going to do it if I'm not going to create something amazing, right? But here's a new concept for this that I'd like to impart with you in today's post. It's okay to suck, but it's not okay to quit. I mean, there's going to be days like this. I mean, today, I'm recovering from surgery, or maybe you just stayed up too late. You didn't get enough sleep. Or there's some kind of emotional turmoil going on in your life, some kind of drama that's really just sapping all your energy. The whirlwind of craziness that happens. But we can accept life as it happens, but we can also plan for it. And here's how you plan for it. You define a minimum. You commit to a minimum that you can achieve even on your worst day. This is a minimum of your creative habit. Let's say, like me, 30 minutes of sketching. It can suck, but you can't quit. I do at least 30 minutes of something every single day, no matter what. Today is day 3059. Look at all my posts on my website, chrisbevan.com. You can see the past 8 years where I've shown up every single day and did what I could. And here's what this will do for you. Just 30 minutes a day. It will be your daily practice to build your willpower. And the surest way to improve your life, all aspects of your life, is to boost your willpower. When you show up and do what you can on a daily basis, it makes it easier to show up on even the hardest days. And when you improve one part of your life via willpower, you tend to improve all parts of your life. You build willpower up on like an exercise routine, and that will build up willpower on your creative habit. So if you're struggling to work on your creative habit, remember to start small. Do what you can. We have a saying, show up, turn pro, do what you can, hummingbird style. Now, I have to talk about the hummingbird in some other posts, but do what you can. No matter how small, celebrate those micro wins and build up your willpower every day. And get on your creative habit. It's important. I want to see it. You can suck, but you can't quit. See you tomorrow.